Easter cake pop. What do we need? Well, first of all, we need a baked cake. It can be chocolate or vanilla, anything you have around the house. We also need frosting, any kind of frosting, chocolate chips or chocolate morsels. A little bag of it is fine, or 400 grams. Then we need things to decorate, like sprinkles, small candies, small chocolates, and finally, the lollipop sticks. But if you don't have them, it's completely fine. You can make the cake pops, they just won't have the stick, but it will still work. Steps to keep in mind. This is an overview just to give you an idea of what will happen. So first we're going to prepare the cake pop dough. Then we're going to turn them into little eggs. And if you have the sticks, you can put them on. Then we're going to place them in the fridge for 30 minutes. So you guys will have to be a little patient. Then it's time for a grown-up to melt the chocolate and for you guys to cover your eggs in chocolate and then to decorate. And finally to eat. Ready, set, cook! So you can follow the steps with the video and just pause it when you need it. So the first step is to turn your cake into crumbles. To pull the cake apart, you will have to use your hands. Now that you turn your cake into crumbles, you can put it all in a bowl and it's time to add the frosting. It's only 2 spoons of frosting. You probably won't need more than 2 spoons of frosting because we don't want our cake to get heavy, we just want it to get easy to mold. So 1 spoon and then 2 spoons. To mix all that, you're gonna need to use your hands again. And you need to mix until it becomes sort of like a Play-Doh that you can mold. It's okay if there's a little bit of crumbles. It's all good. Now for the third step, we're going to get a little bit of that dough and turn into a ball. Just like you do with Play-Doh. But because we want to make eggs and not a ball, after you finish turning into a ball, you need to squish the sides to turn into eggs. And after that, you can put your sticks. The fourth step is a hard one because it requires patience. We need to put our cake pops in the fridge for 30 minutes. After that, we can go to step number 5. Beginning of the 5th step is more for the grown-ups because we need to melt the chocolate, and for that we'll have to use either the stove or the microwave. So they need to melt the white chocolate until it becomes a cream. The second part of the 5th step is to cover your cake pop with chocolate. It's better to use a spoon for that, because then you can cover all the areas. If you don't have a stick, just put your egg cake standing up on a plate and cover with chocolate. You can let them rest for a little bit. So before the chocolate cools off and gets hard, you need to decorate. So you can use sprinkles or small candies, anything that you think it might work. This is the time to be creative and to use your imagination. I'll make a bunny. What do you guys think? If you want, send pictures of your cake pop to us. We would love to see your creations. And now it's time to eat! Hope you enjoyed this visual recipe.